Figma to WordPress. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in figma.com. Choose and open your web design project by clicking on the project. Inside the work area, move your mouse to the top left corner of the screen and click the Figma logo. Hover your mouse over the Plugins option, then click Manage Plugins. In the plugin search bar, type Figma to WordPress. Click the Run button to install it. A setup window will open. Enter your email address, then click the Start Now button. After that, paste the link to your Figma design into the field provided. Click the Create Your Website button to continue. In the Element Selection section, click Continue. In the Build section, click Continue again. Now wait while the plugin builds your website in WordPress. Once the build is complete, a form will appear. Fill in the blank fields with the required information. Then, click the Submit button. Your Figma design is now available on WordPress.